Before buying a hoverboard or self-balancing scooter, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Gotrax Hoverfly Cart. First up, we have the Gotrax Hoverfly Cart. This accessory converts your hoverboard into a go-kart for just $54.99. What caught my attention was its ergonomic seat and adjustable frame. If you want a fun twist on your hoverboard experience, this is worth a serious look. The Hoverfly Cart solves your problem of balancing on a hoverboard, especially for those who might be apprehensive about riding it. With its adjustable frame, it accommodates riders of all heights, and the easy-to-use handle controls make steering a breeze. Plus, it's compatible with most hoverboards out there, so you won't be stuck with a single model. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have kids who want to ride a hoverboard but struggle with balance, this cart offers a more stable and fun alternative. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many have enjoyed this product. Now, some people complained about the assembly process taking a bit longer than expected. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the joy it brings is totally worth it. If you're looking for versatility and fun, this cart hits the mark. This is perfect for you if you have a hoverboard and want to enhance the fun for kids or even yourself. Skip this one if you don't already own a hoverboard though, it's not a standalone product. For $54.99, it adds a lot of value to your existing hoverboard experience. Now, if the assembly time bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with no assembly required. Product number 2, Segway 9Bot S2. Next, let's talk about the Segway 9Bot S2, priced at $549.99. The first thing that grabbed my attention was its impressive speed of up to 11.2 mph and a range of 21.7 miles. If you want a reliable and speedy ride, this is definitely worth a look. The user-friendly learning mode is a game changer, allowing beginners to ease into riding, which is crucial if you're worried about balance. Plus, it can handle inclines of up to 15 degrees, so you won't have to fear those little hills. What really matters is that it's UL 2272 certified, meaning it meets strict safety standards. With over 328 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's garnered great feedback for its durability and performance. Now, I did notice some complaints about its weight, which makes it harder to carry around. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a solid and stable ride, the weight might be worth it for the peace of mind it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and reliable scooter for commuting or recreational use. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. At $549.99, it's a solid investment for a quality ride. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for off-road adventures. Product number 3, Gyroor Warrior. Now let's dive into the Gyroor Warrior, priced at $299. This self-balancing scooter caught my eye with its rugged design and all-terrain capability. If you want a fun ride that can tackle different surfaces, this one is worth considering. The Warrior features 8.5-inch solid tires and powerful motors, allowing it to cruise over grass, dirt, and even gravel. Plus, the built-in Bluetooth speaker adds a layer of enjoyment by letting you play your favorite tunes while riding. With a 4.4-star rating from over 5,400 reviews, it's clear that many riders are happy with their purchase. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a durable and fun ride for both kids and adults, the Warrior is designed to last and provide a solid experience. Many users rave about its ease of use, particularly for beginners. However, some users mentioned that it took a while to charge the battery fully. But honestly, with a ride time of up to 7 miles on a single charge, the wait seems worth it for the fun you get. This is perfect for you if you want a scooter that's versatile enough for various terrains. Skip this one if you're only looking for a scooter for smooth surfaces. At $299, it's a great value for the fun you'll have. Now, if you love the features of the Warrior but want something even more budget-friendly, keep watching for the next product. Product number 4, Gyroor G13 Galaxy Blue. Moving on, we have the Gyroor G13 in Galaxy Blue, priced at just $159. What caught my attention was its sleek design and powerful performance for such an affordable price. If you're seeking a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth a look. The 6.5-inch off-road tires are sturdy enough to handle a variety of surfaces, which is perfect if your child wants to ride on more than just pavement. With a 4.5-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, it's a popular choice among parents. This matters for you because it offers a safe and easy way for kids to learn balancing, thanks to its self-balancing technology. The built-in LED lights not only look cool but also enhance visibility while riding. Now, I did find some complaints about the battery life not being long enough for some users. Here's the thing though, for the price, it still offers a solid ride experience for kids. Just be prepared to recharge more frequently. This is perfect for you if you're a parent looking for a safe and fun scooter for your child. Skip this one if you need something for long-distance rides. At $159, it's a fantastic entry-level option. If you liked the G13, you'll want to see this next model that offers similar features at an even lower price. Product number 5, Gyro G13 Matte Black. Finally, we have the Gyro G13 in matte black, priced at $153. This model is very similar to the Galaxy Blue but comes in a sleek matte finish. If you want a stylish and affordable option, this one's a great choice. Like its counterpart, the matte black G13 features dual 250W motors, perfect for kids aged 6-12. With a similar 4.5-star rating, it's just as beloved among young riders. What's important here is that it maintains the same safety certifications and performance as the Galaxy Blue version, giving parents peace of mind. Plus, the built-in Bluetooth speaker caters to kids' love for music, making rides even more enjoyable. Some users reported minor issues with the Bluetooth connection dropping occasionally. But honestly, for the price, it's a minor annoyance compared to all the fun it provides. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and budget-friendly scooter for your kids. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extreme off-road conditions. At $153, it's a steal for the features you get. To wrap it up, we've seen the Gotrax Hoverfly Cart for a fun twist, the Segway 9Bot S2 for reliable commuting, the Gyro Warrior for all-terrain adventures, and the budget-friendly Gyro G13 models in Galaxy Blue and Matte Black. Each of these options has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy riding!